Want to update your Apple ID to a new email? Here's how to safely change your Apple ID email address. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Next, tap Sign In and Security and then select Apple ID. Tap the Edit button next to your current Apple ID email. Enter the new email address you want to use. Then tap Next. A verification code will be sent to the new email. Open your inbox, copy the code and enter it on your iPhone to verify ownership. Once verified, your Apple ID email will be updated across all Apple services. You may be asked to sign in again on your other devices. That's it. Your Apple ID email is now updated. Like and subscribe for more quick Apple guides.